Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer contacts from Twilio Segment to Salesforce step by step clearly. To transfer contacts from Twilio Segment to Salesforce, start by logging into your Twilio Segment account. Navigate to your workspace where the contacts are stored. Select the data sources linked to your Twilio Segment account. Identify the contact list you wish to transfer. Ensure the desired contacts are properly segmented. Once confirmed, head to the Integrations section. Look for the Salesforce integration option. If you haven't set it up yet, initiate the integration process. Follow the prompts to connect Twilio Segment with Salesforce. Authenticate your Salesforce account. Grant the necessary permissions for data access. After the integration is complete, return to your contact list in Twilio Segment. Click on the option to export contacts. Choose the Salesforce integration as your export destination. Map the fields in your contact list to the corresponding fields in Salesforce. Double-check to ensure accuracy in field mapping. Specify any filters or criteria for the contacts being transferred. Once everything is set, initiate the export process. Monitor the export status for any potential errors. After the export is complete, log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Contacts section in Salesforce. Verify that the imported contacts appear correctly. Review the mapped fields to ensure consistency. If any issues arise, troubleshoot by checking field mappings. Adjust any discrepancies as needed and repeat the export if necessary. Your contacts should now be successfully transferred from Twilio Segment to Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.